and I just worked out and discovered why there's a difference in pricing. It's because the dearer price got charged. Well, I said it was dearer on the app than it was what I got charged for. The reason for that is because I got 6 inches, not the full Footlongs. Anyway, let's get into this one. Nice soft bread. Take a bit of meat, poking its head out. Nice juicy, tender. It's been marinated in something, and you can taste the aioli sauce. It's not a bad Footlong. 6 inch. Well, hang about while I finish this off, and then we'll come back and have
a few moments later.